Namaste students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZBC 5th semester. We will discuss the topic population density. Firstly, discuss the population. Population is defined as the number of people living in an area at a particular time is known as population. Population concept over population, it is a situation whereby the population is considered too large for available resources. Second point, underpopulation is a situation where the population is less than the available resource of a country, and optimum population is a situation where the number of people that can be supported is the same as the available resources. Population density is defined as the number of person per unit area of land or per square kilometer of land. Okay, so now population density are defined as the number of persons per unit area of land or per square kilometer of land is known as population density. Population density equal to total population upon land area. Birth rate, next point, birth rate. This is the number of live bodies born per thousands of population per year, also called natality rate or birth rate. Next, death rate. This is the number of death per thousands of the population per year, also called mortality rate. Next point, natural increase. The difference between the birth rate and the death rate is known as natural increase. Next point, migration. The number of people moving in or out in a region is known as migration. Total fertility rate. The average number of children a woman will have in her childbearing years is known as total fertility rate. Infant mortality rate. The number of details of children under the age of 1 per thousand live birth. The rate range from as low as 3 to as much as 150. Life expectancy. The average number of year a person is expected to live. Population density. Population density is the average number of people per square kilometer. Okay, it is a way of measuring population distribution. It shows whether an area is sparsely or densely populated. Like population distribution, population density can be calculated at a local, regional, national or global scale. The geographic show pattern of population density on a global scale. Note that factor affecting distribution and density of population. Firstly, relief. Area with flat plains encourage a dense population, and area with high or rugged mountain have a sparse population. Example as Bangladesh and Andes. Climate. Area of moderate rainfall encourage a dense population, while those with little or too much rainfall discourage population. Sahara deserts. Next, vegetation. Area in the world having a good grassland encourage populations. Next point, soil. Fertility soil encourage a large population, while a barren soil discourage population location. Next, water resources. The existence of water in an low area leads to a large population living there, while regions in the world that have little or no availability of water discourage populations. Next, natural roots. Regions in the world that have accessible roots encourage a large population. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, ह्यूमन इकोनॉमिक्स एंड पॉलिटिकल एंड सोशल. ओके, थैंक यू.